And how you guys doing? And hello, Governor of Florida, Ron DeSantis. Uh, how you doing? I'm over here in Indianapolis, still being held hostage by the Nazis and the black Nazis and the Middle Eastern Nazis that are all conspiring against me. I'm the child of my mother and father. I don't know if you have it on record. Do you have the record there, whether it says I'm the son of Walt Disney and Doris Duke? I own my mother and father's property in America, and it's my legal right to be the owner, of course, no matter what any person says. This isn't just general information. And these government people have burnt my teeth and damaged me, my face and teeth, and tried to rape me several times, these government people in Indiana. And have you filed lawsuits against the state of Indiana and these government satellite controllers, Governor DeSantis? My nose, they scratched me there. The satellite man did. But your input on this situation of me being held hostage is kind of important. Same thing with other governors and mayors, to see which people are ethically in political office, people that are ethical and understand the facts of history. I saw on the internet in reference to certain debating information that you had possibly debated with Walt Disney World or something. I don't know much about what the circumstances of certain things are, but I'm still being held hostage in Indianapolis. My mother, Doris Duke, had court cases against these people in Indiana back in the 80s. And when my mother died in 93, I got kidnapped again. Then made it out to California again through that's my mouth, with the acknowledgement of UCLA helping that particular point too. But then I got kidnapped again in like 2001. So it's kind of a serious situation. I'm not sure what's going on with certain particulars, but Walt Disney World has not sent me anything in the mail, or I've not received nothing. And just in case anybody's wondering, in reference to future governors and mayors or present governors and mayors that are aware of the situation, I'm still being held hostage. Got teeth damage, facial damage. Satellite man has caused nasty markings on my legs. None of these markings was there in California. And California and the Screen Actors Union knows that. All this damage, all this teeth damage happened in Indiana. And Governor DeSantis, I'm hoping that you are aware of the people that are conspiring against me. Hopefully you're an ethical and understanding governor, and I own my mother and father's property in Florida too. I'd rather be in Florida than here. This is just a very horrible situation in reference to facial injuries, satellite man lasering me, satellite man burning me and torturing me. These people are psychosomatic. They do this shit thinking they're involved in a person's life. It's like voodoo torture, laser torture. It's attempted murder. And hopefully, Governor DeSantis, that you have filed murder charges against these satellite controllers. That's the ethical thing to do. And, so this situation is pretty horrible. These people holding me hostage, these people slandering my character, these people damaging my teeth. And then, after they damaged my teeth, they tried to accuse me of shit. I don't hang out with none of their people. I don't go to any of their places that they made up this shit. I don't hang out with nobody that does any of that shit. So, just in case anybody's wondering, I'd rather be at my mother and father's property in Florida than being here in Indianapolis. They're blocking me from my mother and father's mansions, or my mother's mansions here in Indiana. And my mother even built that mansion with my money. It was like my allowance or something. But, hopefully you can make some video, in reference to the hostage situation. And hopefully other governors and mayors can make video in reference to me being held hostage. What I'm the owner of is what I'm the owner of. My parents bought land, my grandparents bought land, rightfully, with American money. And that's the facts. And I'm the owner of everything. I don't know what person is trying to steal or trying to hijack or trying to steal any of my property or land or companies, or which people are conspiring against me. I just, these people are intercepting all the phone calls. These people are stealing the postal mail when people tried to send me things in the mail. And, this is all on the record. And if somebody's intercepting this information or trying to alter my words, they must get prosecuted. So in reference to Governor Santos or DeSantis, hopefully you're doing good. I'm not sure what the argument or debate is over there in reference to Walt Disney World, but or Walt Disneyland, I'm still being held hostage here. I've not received anything from any of the executives or individuals, and the royal protocol of my identities in the media. And it's at Walt Disney World too, and the other studios. So hopefully you're doing good. I don't know what to say except for I haven't received any messages, haven't received any letters in the postal mail. And the dirty CIA and FBI and Nazi party is trying to steal from me, and that is unethical. I'm not obligated to none of them. My parents weren't obligated to none of them. These people targeted my parents, and these government people targeted me because these people wanted to steal empires of my family, such as my mother and father's empire on both sides. And these people thought damaging somebody's teeth that had prettier teeth than them, and my teeth are real. In those pictures where it shows no damage, that's my real teeth. These people damaged my teeth, and those people went and got artificial teeth, or they got things put on their teeth to try to copy my teeth and my smile. There's evidence in California of me talking to individuals in California about these people was trying to copy my teeth, or they were trying to steal my teeth and my smile, Meaning like they were trying to mess with my mouth and they were trying to steal my teeth. These government people. And so, there were some of them that was tied in with these people in California, and they were tied in with people from Indiana, whoever these people are. So, hello, Governor DeSantis. Hopefully, you're working on that. Hopefully, you sent some people to these other governors' offices and asked them if they were involved in holding me hostage or blocking me from my mother and father's estates. Hopefully. Have to check the record in the future. Hopefully somebody's doing something, but I've not received anything in the postal mail. And this is a hostage situation, a kidnapping situation where they kidnapped me from my mother and father's estates and mansions and companies. And these government people are trying to play their Nazi way of controlling or their Nazi way of hijacking properties. They have no license to be claiming to be the owners of any of it. I'm the only person with the legal birthright. And that's on document forever. I'm the only 100% child of my mother and father. Both my parents came from super rich families. Reference to my grandparents. The satellite man's burning my teeth again right now. That's sexual crimes, sexual violent crimes against the satellite controllers. And they must get prosecuted no matter who the fuck they are. Anyways, roll protocols in the media of my identity. Any damage on my body, any scarring or marking that's not in the royal protocol is 100% attempts of murder and physical assault and violence. And they have to be prosecuted. So anyways, hello people of Florida and other cities and states. Hopefully people are working on stopping these people that are holding me hostage, that are stealing from me and burning me with satellites.